Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you simple and effective way to fix slow performance on iOS 26 using an iPhone 13 Pro Max. If your phone feels lag, app opens slowly or scrolling isn't smooth, follow these steps. First, press and hold the side button and volume button together. Slide to power off. Wait for 30 seconds, then turn your iPhone back on. This clear temporary system uses and often makes the phone feel faster right away. Go to settings, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, delete unused app, old videos, screenshot, larger file you don't need. Try to keep at least 5 to 10 GB free space. Go back to the setting, tap on accessibility, tap on motion, turn on reduced motion. This reduces heavy animation and make your phone feel smoother and more responsive. Go to setting, tap on Siri and search, turn off listen first, hey Siri if you don't use it. Also check location services in privacy and setting and limit app to use while using the app. This small change helps improve performance. That's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.